Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical drip irrigation, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from drip irrigation, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best drip irrigation from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Maotong 240-foot drip irrigation system for automatic garden watering. Effortlessly water your garden with the Maotong 240 FT drip irrigation system. This complete kit includes 40 foot of 1 by 2 inch main tubing and 200 foot of 1 by 4 inch distribution tubing, along with 136 parts, letting you set up either 2 smaller systems or 1 extended irrigation network. Built for efficiency, this system saves up to 80% more water than traditional methods, covering up to 250 square feet with a single setup or 2 separate 120 square foot areas. Designed for flexibility, it includes 3 types of sprayers: drip emitters, vortex emitters, and misting nozzles, allowing you to tailor water flow to the needs of each plant, tree, or flower. With upgraded tubing that supports high water pressure and a simple setup, you'll have your garden, greenhouse, or lawn efficiently watered in no time. The kit also includes an instruction manual, making installation easy for gardeners of any level. Enjoy a healthy, lush garden with Maotong. Number 2. Carpathen Drip Irrigation System for Automatic Garden Watering. Transform your gardening experience with the Carpathen Drip Irrigation System for Automatic Garden Watering. This comprehensive kit includes 10 vortex emitters, 20 spray emitters, 50 feet of durable 5 by 16 inch irrigation tubing, and 50 feet of 1 by 4 inch drip irrigation tubing, allowing you to create a customized watering solution for your garden, greenhouse, or lawn. Designed for both above-ground and underground installation, this UV-resistant system minimizes water loss by delivering hydration directly to the roots, ensuring your plants thrive. Easy to install and adjust, simply connect the system to your water source, branch off with the tubing, and position the adjustable emitters as needed. The detachable emitter heads make cleaning a breeze, preventing clogs and ensuring long-term performance. With its robust design and ability to work between 20 to 45 psi, the Carpathen system is perfect for maintaining healthy flowers, vegetables, and fruits. Save time and money while achieving a flourishing garden with this innovative irrigation solution. Number 3. Mixc 230-foot drip irrigation system for automatic garden watering. Revitalize your garden with the Mixc 230-foot drip irrigation system for automatic garden watering. This comprehensive kit features a 33-foot main tube and 197 feet of 1 by 4 inch irrigation tubing, equipped with everything you need for efficient watering. With components like barbed T connectors, drip emitter streams, vortex emitters, and blue mist nozzles, you can customize your irrigation setup to suit any garden. Thanks to the innovative quick connector technology, installation is a breeze. Set it up in just 10 minutes. The system allows you to connect up to 32 drip emitters for precise and efficient water distribution, tailored to your plant's needs. Whether you're tending to a lawn, flower bed, vegetable garden, or even mist cooling for a swimming pool, this versatile system has you covered. Experience effortless watering and keep your garden thriving with the Mixc Drip Irrigation System, your ultimate solution for healthy plants and vibrant blooms. Number 4. Hiraliy 100-foot drip irrigation kit plant watering system. Introducing the Hiraliy 100-foot drip irrigation kit plant watering system, the perfect solution for hassle-free garden care. This comprehensive kit features 100 feet of adjustable tubing, allowing you to customize water flow for various plants. With its versatile drip emitters, you can choose between stopping, micro-dripping, or spraying, ideal for everything from delicate seedlings to robust vegetables. Constructed with a leak-resistant brass splitter, this system ensures no rust and allows for individual control over 2 separate drip lines. The user-friendly design makes assembly a breeze. Just insert the fittings and start watering right away. Plus, the included user manual with a QR code provides access to an installation video for added convenience. Suitable for a wide range of applications, this irrigation system is perfect for lawns, patios, greenhouses, flower beds, and raised gardens. Transform your gardening experience with the Hiraliy Drip Irrigation Kit, efficient, reliable, and designed to keep your plants thriving. Number 5. Winbomgo 162-foot Drip Irrigation System with Water Timer. Introducing the Winbomgo 162-foot Drip Irrigation System with Water Timer, your ultimate solution for hassle-free garden watering. This comprehensive kit includes a robust 32-foot main hose and 130 foot of 1 by 4-inch tubing, along with 20 adjustable sprinkler nozzles and 12 root drip emitters, perfect for delivering just the right amount of water to your plants. Setting up your automatic watering system has never been easier. With no heated hoses required, simply cut the tubing to your desired lengths and connect the fittings for a custom irrigation setup. Plus, programming your watering schedule is a breeze. Choose from multiple frequencies, including daily or every other day, with just 4 simple steps. Built to last, this rugged drip irrigation kit is resistant to high temperatures and aging, ensuring durability in all conditions. Whether for lawns, vegetable gardens, greenhouses, or flower beds, the Winbomgo Drip Irrigation System guarantees efficient and reliable watering for thriving plants all season long. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.